Let's read the first question. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansions each has. The first one is 36 by 100. 36 by 100. You see, now what is the answer? 36 by 100. You know how to divide a number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So 36 by 100 is equal to 0. Yes, it has two zeros. There should be two places after decimal point. So 36 by 100 is equal to 0.36. So what type of decimal expansion it has? Is it terminating or non-terminating? Yes, it is terminating. It stops, isn't it? So it is terminating. Okay. So 36 by 100 has a terminating decimal expansion. The second one, 1 by 11. What we have to do? Now let us divide 1 by 11. 1 by 11, it is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to put a 0 here and point. Is it possible now? No. So what you have to do? Put another 0 point. Now what is the answer? 9 11s are 99. 9 11s are 99. So when you subtract, what you get? You get 1 again. You see, if you get 1 again, what you have to do? You have to put a 0. Is it possible? No. You have to put another 0 here. Now write one more 0. What is the answer? 100. So again you get 9 11s are 99. Again what do you get? 1 you get. You see, 1 you are getting repeatedly. So what is 1 by 11, children? 1 by 11 is the block of 0 9 that is repeating, isn't it? 0 9 is repeating. See, here we have 0 9, again 0 9, again you will be getting 0 9. So 1 by 11 is equal to 0.09 bar. You see, 0 9 is repeating. So what type of decimal expansion 1 by 11 has? Yes, it has a non-terminating. It is not terminating, it repeats. So it is non-terminating. It is non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. You see what is repeating? 09 is repeating. So it has a non-terminating, repeating decimal expansion. Now let us look at the third one, 4 1 by 8. The third one is 4 1 by 8. You know, 4 1 by 8 is 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33, 33 by 8. Now let us divide 33 by 8. Let us see what is the answer. 33 by 8. 4 8s are 32. 1. So it is not possible. 0. So 1 8s are 8. What is the answer? 2 is the remainder. Put 0. What is the answer? 2 8s are 16. What is the remainder? 4. Put 0 40. 45 8s are 40. So the remainder is 0. So what is 33 by 8 or 4 1 by 8? That is equal to 4.125. The remainder becomes 0. So what do you say about the decimal expansion of 4 1 by 8? Is it terminating or non-terminating? Terminates. It stops. So the decimal expansion is terminating. The remaining problems you can do and you can check whether they are terminating or whether they are non-terminating, repeating. Okay. Now next one, question number 3. Let us solve question number 3. The first one, express the following in the form P by Q. The first one is 0.6 bar. You have to express that in the form P by Q. It is given 0.6 bar. So the first step what you have to do is, you have to assume that x is equal to the given number. Let x is equal to what? Let x is equal to 0.6 bar, that is 0.666 etc. Multiply this by 10. What do you get? On both sides you multiply by 10. So 10 into x, 10x. Here when you multiply by 10, what happens? Decimal point, that point will move to this side. So it becomes 6.6666 etc. When you multiply on LHS by 10, you get 10x. On RHS, when you multiply by 10, the decimal point will jump to here. So that becomes 6.666 etc. Now let us write the x once again. What is x? X is equal to 0.666 etc. Now you just subtract these two. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be equation number 2. We have rewritten equation number 1 once again. Now let us subtract 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 10x minus x, that is 9x. 6 minus 6, 0, 0, 0, 6 minus 0, that is 6. Then you get 9x is equal to 6. Then what is x, children? X is equal to 6 by 9. You see, 3 is common. You can divide throughout by 3. Then what you will be getting? X is equal to 2 by 3. So what is x? X is equal to 0.6 bar. So 0.6 bar is equal to 2 by 3. That is of the form what? P by Q. I think it is clear to you. Now let us solve the second one. Then it will be more clear to you. The second one. The second one is 0.47 bar. What is repeating? 7 is repeating. So we assume that let x is equal to what? 0.4777 etc. What you have to multiply here? If you want, you can multiply by 10. So what you will be getting? 10x is equal to 4.7777. So from 4.7777, what you have to subtract? 0.4777 you have to subtract. Now let us find what is 10x. Multiply LHS and RHS by 10. So you get 10 into x, 10x. Here when you multiply by 10, this decimal point will jump to here. So it becomes 4.7777 etc. Is it clear? So 10x is equal to 4.777. X is equal to 0.4777. If you want, what we can do? You can subtract x value from 10x. So you get 10x minus x, that is 9x is equal to 4.777 minus 0.4777, that is equal to what? 4.3 you get. Or what you can do? Here you can multiply by 100. X you can multiply by 100. So what you will be getting? You will be getting 100x. Here when you multiply by 100, what you will getting? Yeah, 47. This point will jump here, isn't it? So 47.77777 etc. This is 100x. What is this? This is 10x. What is 10x? 4.777 etc. You see, we have to make the same digits after decimal. So what is the convenience? See, when you subtract, it becomes 0. That's all. That's the logic here. Okay. Now when you subtract, what you get? 100x minus 10x, that is 90x. Here what you get? All this 0, 0, 0. 47 minus 47 minus 4, that is 3. You get 43. So what is x from here? 90x is equal to 43. So what is x? X is equal to 43 by 90. That is how you represent x. What is x? X is equal to 0.47 bar. That is equal to what? 43 by 90. It is of the form P by Q. Now let us solve the third one. The third one, that is also very simple.